All Amarillo ISD schools will be closed on Monday. AISD says that they have checked road conditions near schools and that they're icy and likely won't improve much by tomorrow with the single-digit temperatures expected overnight. Also, all Canyon ISD schools will be closed tomorrow due to the current winter weather conditions. CISD says please stay home, stay warm, and stay safe. All Emerald College campuses will be closed on Monday due to weather. And WTANMU adds that the West Texas A&M University in Canyon and the Harrington Academic Hall WTANMU Amarillo Center will remain closed Monday. They say travel conditions are more treacherous given the amount of road construction across the region. They say students should check with faculty regarding course alternatives as necessary. WT says a decision for Tuesday will be posted by 6 a.m. on Tuesday. According to Texas Tech University Health Sciences Center at Amarillo, all on-campus operations, activities, classes, and clinics are canceled on Monday due to inclement weather. They say this is due to that inclement weather. They add that all remote curricular activities will continue as planned. The city of Amarillo says due to ongoing extreme cold weather and to help protect critical infrastructure during extremely low temperatures, city of Amarillo facilities will be closed on Monday with the exception of essential services. They say essential services such as fire, police, utilities, and street road crews will remain in operation. Standing operations will continue on city-maintained overpasses, arterial intersections, and other priority areas identified in the snow and ice control plan. They add that solid waste services will operate on a modified schedule. City of Canyon says following Canyon ISD school closure, the City of Canyon will close non-emergency services and facilities on Monday. That includes City Hall, the Canyon EDC and Main Street office, the Canyon Municipal Court, and the Canyon Area Library. And according to Blaze Schaefer, the Potter County Commissioner Precinct 2, he has received word that Judge Nancy Tanner is closing all Potter County offices on Monday. Offices will reopen on Tuesday. It is a policy that when AISD closes, they follow suit for the safety of all students and faculty. Commissioners Court will be moved to Tuesday at 9 a.m. Also by order of Randall County Judge Christy Dyer, all Randall County locations will be closed on Monday and emergency services will continue to operate during this time. To see a full list of school closures and all the other closures around the viewing area, you can do so by going to our website, myhighplains.com.